Today topic of discussion, percentage solution. What is percent solution? Percent solution is the solution expressed in the unit percentage. இதை எப்படி express பண்றோம்? By using that unit percent. The percent solution can be in the form of, இது எப்படி present ஆயிருக்கு? Percentage by weight by volume, or percentage by volume, percentage by weight by volume. So we can calculate percentage solution by three different form, either in the form of weight by volume, or volume by volume, or weight by volume. So we can volume. So here we can calculate it by using three different form. Let's discuss how we can represent mathematically these expression. First one is weight by volume percentage solution. To calculate weight by volume, we use mathematical expression as mass of solute gram divided by volume of solution ml into multiply 100. So here first one is volume by weight percentage. Here here we are using mathematical expression mass of solute gram by volume of solute ml multiply by 100. Second one is volume by volume. So here here we using mathematical expression as volume of solute ml by volume of solution ml multiply into 100. Here both solute and solution both are ml only. Then weight by weight percentage. Here that mathematical expression as weight of solute gram, weight of solution gram into 100. So these are the mathematical formula used to calculate percentage of solution. So here weight by volume mass of solute இங்க வந்து கிராம் இங்க வந்து ml into 100. volume by volume வந்து volume of solute ml இங்க bothமே ml into 100. Here both are grams. Weight of solute and weight of solution into 100. So these are the mathematical formula. So let's discuss weight by volume percentage solution. Say for example 5% weight by volume sugar solution. What does it means? It means 5 gram of sugar that is solute is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Total volume is equal to solvent plus solute. So it is clear by that expression here. Solute is measured in term of gram. Solution is measured in the term of volume. Second, volume by volume percentage. For example, 7% volume by volume solution of ethanol in water. So here what does it means? It means 7 ml of ethanol solute which dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Total volume is equal to solvent plus solute. So both solute and solvent are measured in ml in the case of volume by volume. So last one is weight by weight percentage. For example 10% weight by weight solution of magnesium hydroxide in water. What does it means? It means 10 gram of magnesium hydroxide in 100 gram of solution. So three different mathematical expression weight by volume. எப்படின்னா இப்போ வந்து 5% என்னன்னா 5 gram sugar dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Volume by volume na 7% na 7 ml of ethanol எதுவுமே ரெண்டுமே ml dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Then weight by 10% means solution 10 gram of magnesium hydroxide in 100 gram of solution. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் பர்சன்டேஜ் சொல்யூஷன் எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணுறோம் 3 டிஃப்ரெண்ட் மெத்தடில் பற்றி பார்த்துருக்கோம். எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஆஃப் percentage solution. So here types expression with example we discussed. Thanks for watching.